what to chase. Told you how to run the race. It was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave. Had to find a way to change. Had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself.
We're almost there, we're so close. We're so close. I could see the sign. All right, we officially made it. Just dope toys everywhere. This is why you grind. This is why you wake up, you put your shoes and your socks on, and you frickin' grind. You bust your ass, you bust your ass, you bust your ass. And then you get to come out here and suck in all the dust and have a cough for the next couple of weeks. There's the side-by-side blog boys. Let's see if we can't figure out how to get in there with them. We'll come ride with them later. But there's Kyle and Jason's stuff right back there. All right, finally got to KOH 2022. Finally, just got the old Polarius, the trailer set up. Let's go see what kind of shenanigans Riz is getting. Chris, what did you post earlier?
If it fits, it ships.
Right on.
Yeah, except for smudge spots don't ship. Yeah. Neither do rear fenders.
Oh no, what happened?
Yeah, it was bouncing on it.
Oh, was it?
There's no access by the...
That suspension's just too much.
Too much hot.
Too much, dude.
Cause I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind you know I'll always manifest it.
Nasty, dude. Just gotta go up that thing.